and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Founder of Kokani movement Shanai Goebab's 131st birth anniversary celebrated on Tuesday. Vishwajit Rane suspends a nurse from children's ward for carelessness on duty, pays surprise visit to GMC, says he cannot fulfill demands of contract labourers. BJP refutes allegation of issuing licenses to offshore casinos, admits one casino remained operational for 2 months without renewal of license during their tenure. Mickey's casino drama takes different turn. Casino workers say their owner threatened them to give anti-Mickey statement. And Goa men and women spikers aim to make an impression at upcoming Lusophonia Games. Now the news in detail. The 131st birth anniversary of founder of Goa movement Shanai Goebab was celebrated in the state on Tuesday. Senior poet Ramesh Veluskar garlanded his portrait at Goa Kokani Academy in the capital city.
The portrait of founder of Kokani movement Shanai Goebab was garlanded on his 131st birth anniversary at Kokani Academy in the capital city. Senior poet Ramesh Veluskar and Shivdas, Dr. Jayanti Naik and other Kokani lovers were present to grace the occasion. Veluskar said, Shanai Bab has given a wake-up call to the people who had forgotten their mother tongue and language.
जे गोंय स्वतंत्र करपा खातीर, जी कोंकणी स्वतंत्र करपा खातीर शणै बाबांनी व्हडलो याग सुरू केलो. जवळ 33व्या वर्सा तांणी बरोवपाक सुरवात केली आनी वट्ट 33 पुस्तकां ताणें आमकां दिली. ह्या इतल्याच पुस्तकांनी आमी जेन्ना भितर झांकतात तेन्ना सगळ्याच न्हिदलेल्या कोंकणी मनशाक जागे करपाचें जें रसण आसा तें आमकां पातळ्ळें तें दिश्टी पडटा.
Kokani writer Ramesh Lad recited a poem in memory of Goebab.
शणै तुवें काडले सोदून आमचे व्हड दायज, बुनयादेचो लायलो फातर कश्टांच्या बळार. कश्टताली आवय आमची बंदखणे कुडी, सोडून तिका हाडले तुवें भौसाद माती. आमच्या शणै गोंय बाबा तुका नमस्कार.
President of Goa Kokani Academy and Shivdas spoke in memory of Goebab.
कोकणीतल्या ह्या सगळ्या मालगड्यांचो एक उगडास करमारी काय आमी ताका दिवंक शकना. ते आमचे मदीं आतां ना, तांकां पुरस्कार दिवंक मेळपाना, तांकां हांगासर अध्यक्ष म्हणून हाडूंक मेळपाना. मग तांचो खंयच आमकां कांय करूंक मेळना. फक्त एक करूं येता ती याद.
Our video journalist from Panji, Sunny Narvekar.
Health Minister Vishwajit Rane has suspended a nurse in Goa Medical College on Tuesday. Health Minister, during his surprise visit to GMC, inquired on the functioning of children's ward and came across this nurse discharging her duties negligently. The nurse kept one torn bedsheet on one of the beds when new one was available.
Health Minister Vishwajit Rane paid a surprise visit to the Goa Medical College on Tuesday morning. Medical Superintendent Dr. Rajan Kukalkar, Dean of GMC Dr. V.N. Jindal and other officials accompanied the Health Minister. Goa Medical College is undergoing an internal renovation. Around 8 crore rupees are incurred for the renovation. Rane visited the children's ward and became furious over the dilapidated conditions of the bed sheets. Rane inquired in detail and he came across the fact that the nurse on duty had not changed the torn bed sheets in spite of having new ones in the cupboard. Rane immediately suspended the nurse.
1000 बेडशीट हाडल्या, ह्यो हाडल्या तुवें? हे हाडल्या? हे पिंजलेले हाडल्या? You just give instruction to them to suspend us by 1 o'clock. Because when I asked them to give me indent of 1000 new bed sheets for purchase, I want undertaking from every ward sister how much is there in stock of that 1000 which has been procured by the government.
Rane stated that he is not in a position to help the agitating contract laborers of GMC.
And now you see some people sitting on strike outside. This is when the opposition was in power, they took this Goa Contract Labour Society, and I am unable to help them. What am I supposed to do? Some rules are binding on me as a minister. I can only forward it to the Labour Department. I can only forward it to my secretary. But ultimately, when the cabinet has withdrawn the permission for recruitment from the Goa Contract Labour Society, it's null and void. Now on humanitarian grounds, we are giving them salary. But I will definitely, when recruitment takes place, try to help some of them who fit into my RRs.
The agitated workers placed their side before us.
त्यांनी कितें सांगलां आमकां तुमकां खंय तरी परमनंट करता हें आश्वासन दिलें रिटर्न कांय दिवंक दिलें फक्त आश्वासन दिलें मग त्या आश्वासन आमी रावले पूण आतां पळोवंक गेल्यार तेणी 173 परमनंट पोस्ट बोरले तेगे आमकां पोस्ट बोरलो ते आमकां पळयना पूण आमकां आतां परमनंट करतलो खंय तो हो आमचो हेतू आनी एकले हांव म्हणटा सगळें वाळपोवचे हाडून बोला आनी तुमी जर पळोवंक वचत सगळे 110% वाळपोवचे आसा आनी दुसरें म्हणल्यार एकले MLA ताका विचारपाक येना हक ना की बाबा तूं सगळें हाडून वाळपोवचे बोल्ला कित्याक.
Meanwhile, a woman who returned from US along with her child went through the swine flu test on Sunday. Dr. Tamba informed that the results were negative.
We sent samples of 2 patients yesterday to Delhi, and we have already received the report. They are both negative, so they are not patients of swine flu. One of them, the son had come from USA, so we were wondering if he has developed symptoms after coming from USA. So probably he is carrying the virus, but the test has proved that it is not so. They have probably got the seasonal influenza, which is very much there in Goa right now.
A reporter from Bamboli, Lokik Shilkar, with video journalist Ganesh Hotkar for Prudent Media.
BJP has clarified that their government in past never gave or renewed license to any offshore casino, but agreed that one offshore casino remained operational for 2 months without renewal during their tenure.
The employees of Treasure Casino of Majorada Beach Resort have given a 4-page written complaint to the Kolwa police station. They have mentioned that this 4-page statement was not as per our say, nor was it true. It was falsely concocted as per the false complaint the management has filed against Mickey and Matthew. Since this statement was false, we all refused to sign, and all the above named 4 people from our management got very angry and began to abuse us. They were even passing threatening remark like, "We will see how you people do not sign this, and we will do anything to salvage our prestige." This complaint from the employees of Treasure Casino has created another quandary in the casino controversy. With casino management on one side and Mickey and employees of casino on the other, one question has surfaced prominently: who is right and who is wrong? Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
There is a new twist in Mickey's Casino saga. The employees of Treasure Casino at Majorada have complained against their management for threatening and forcing them to sign the statement against Tourism Minister. They have lodged their complaint at Kolwa Police Station. Tourism Minister Mickey Pacheco has already alleged that Treasure Casino owes him 1.25 crores of his winning amounts.
BJP has promised to take up the issue pertaining to SEZ, CRZ, offshore casinos and other issues faced by common man in forthcoming assembly session. BJP clarified that their government in past never gave permission for any offshore casino.
आमचो हांगसर कॅटेगरिकल स्टेटमेंट आसा की भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या कार्यकाळां भितर खंयच्याच कारावेला खंयच्याच कॅसिनो किंवा खंयच्याच हाका भितर आमी परमिशन दिवना किंवा रिन्यू करूना. अंडरलायन.
As per documents given by BJP, the first permission for offshore casino was given on 9th November 1995 with effect from 2nd December 1995.